Jeff again, back here, Banker's Rules. Uh, Today somebody had asked me about my book being in order, if it was step by step. I did not write it that way. I believe the way I was writing it made sense to me, but I want to make sure it makes sense to you guys as well. So I decided that I'm going to make this short video. Hopefully it'll help. We're going to do the banker strategy. This strategy should be not necessarily a step-by-step, but it'll give you an idea of what you need to do in the right order. So stick with me, and hopefully we can get you on the right track to building your wealth faster than you ever thought possible. For the main thing, first thing you need to do is you need to be able to do budget like a banker. Now, I have to throw up on the screen, either on the side, wherever. Let's go this way. Hey. You need to have your account set up so that when you deduct money out of your, say, your account, your regular checking account, to pay for your credit line, you need to have double entry. Sometimes it's triple entry, because you have to have not only it minus out of your account, your normal bank account, then you're going to add that payment into your credit line, and then for your cash flow that shows where your bank's money is, you'll have a ledger for that, showing that in the cash flow that you have made another payment into that, growing your wealth. So that's virtually step one. You need to have this mindset set, which is actually step 3. Step 2, structure your bank. Start funding your bank. You either need to have money that you have set aside, put that money into your bank account, or tin can, wherever you're going to put your money, to loan out to yourself. And you want to make sure that you're charging interest on the money that you're loaning to yourself. So say you don't have any money to loan to yourself, you don't have anything to put back, you might be in that spot. You can make a ledger every time you spend. Say you go to the grocery, spend $500, put that in your credit line, show that, add that in plus your interest. Say you want to charge yourself 3 or 6%, 12%, whatever. Put that in with the percentage. Say it's $100, 10%, it's $110. Just put $110 in there, and then you need to keep track of that, and then start paying yourself back into your wealth account. Start a wealth account. It'll be starting at zero because you have nothing. But as you start paying back that money plus the interest, you'll start building your wealth as well that way. So it's lesson 2. Okay, so lesson 3. You want to have the right mindset. You need to make this a habit. You need to get the first part down, where you're structuring and keeping track of your money. And you need to make that a daily habit. A habit every time you spend, that you do this. Might take a few extra minutes, but in those few extra minutes, you're building wealth without having to go out and risk your own money in the stock market or in another adventure or try to run another business on top of whatever else you're doing. It only takes a few minutes to do this, and it helps you build a lifetime worth of wealth. So that would be step 3. And finally, if you haven't got started, get started. So it's not really step by step, but those would be the 3 steps I would suggest that you do to start getting it. You just need to get started, start doing it, start getting used to it, and I believe in time you'll be able to get this going. If this helps, like, subscribe. That helps me know. Leave comments down there so I know what videos to make or what helps. If you have more questions, please. These videos are made to help the audience. I want to see if what I'm doing, it's made me wealthy enough that I'm not working now. I'm living off of the money I built up. I already paid off my house, paid off all my vehicles, debt free as far as that goes, and I'm living off my own wealth. And you can too, eventually. And you do need to build assets, like having apartment rentals or businesses on the side. And we can get into that another time. But for this video, hopefully that helps. Thank you.